Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and you're on Rush Raymore Reviews. So we're on Barbican Road. We're gonna take a left turn and go around to the Barbican Center. I'll go over the plaza as well and do a little drive around. Over there we have Wendy's, Roshain Supermarket, and a few others, Acropolis, Monarch Pharmacy. So this is the Barbican Center. We have Digicel. You have Tutti Frutti. So just doing a little drive around. So it's really Barbican Road we're checking out, the Barbican Road Improvement Project. Just driving around with you guys, showing you guys the road works that was completed. And again, this is the Barbican Center. Cocoa Jam is also over here. And a few other small business, copycat cleaners, ATMs. Alright, so Barbican area. Just doing a drive around. Again, if you're new, guys, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Remember to leave a comment. Remember to like. Alright, so we'll now go back onto the Barbican Road, just to show you guys around the Barbican Road Improvement Project. Alright, so this road was a road that was closed off. And then we have a big space along here, which will be developed sometime in the future. Alright, so this this road was expanded and renovated, so it's now 4 lanes, 2 on each side. It's renovated. So it's one of the road projects that they completed in recent times. We know we have Agley Park Road, Constant Spring Road, and then Barbican Road as well. So I'll drive down to this end, then I'll make a U-turn and then come back around. So we have ILO on the left, so we just see some form of digging up on the road that's just completed. And then this is Fontana Pharmacy, other branch. We know their newest branch is on Waterloo Road. I did a video on that branch. They have an escalator inside. It's very nice. So I'll link that link for that video in the description for you guys to check out the newest Fontana Pharmacy. Alright, so we'll take the left turn here so we can turn back. So this road leads up to Jack's Hill. So this is our green light back onto Barbican Road improvement project that's now completed. Just driving around so you guys can see the work that was done. And as usual, guys, leave your comments, leave your thoughts in terms of the Barbican area. Sorry, in terms of development in this area as well, and even in regards to this project that was completed, Barbican Road Improvement Project. So this is the right turn for Russell Heights. Buzz Drive on the left. So the project came all the way around here. So as I realized 2 lanes are still maintained around this side. So it was an extensive project just to renovate the Barbican Road, expand and renovate. And this is where the 4 lanes finish, along with the road improvement project. Alright, so definitely leave your comments, guys, and definitely share the video as well. And again, if you're new, if you haven't yet subscribe to the channel as well. So the right turn here is into Grand Spin, and then this left turn brings you back out to Waterloo Road. Alright, so stay tuned for another video, guys, and continue supporting the channel.